Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the simultaneous equation and I'll be using the elimination method. Simultaneous equation simply means solving two variables simultaneously, that is, solving it together. In this method, we are going to be using the elimination method. We have two methods, the substitution method and the elimination method. In the elimination method, it means to actually delete or remove one of the variable and find another one. After getting the other one, you can now replace it back. Now let's dive into it. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make this equation 1 and equation 2. Next is to eliminate one of the variables. Remember, if I'm going to eliminate my x, I'll look for the LCM of 2 and 5. If I'm going to eliminate the y, I'll look for the LCM of 3 and 4. But in this case, I want to eliminate my x. So let me look for the LCM of 2 and 5. The LCM of 2 and 5 gave me 10. So what I'm going to do next, 2 divide 10 is actually 5. So I'm going to write out my 5, open a bracket and write out all the equation 1 there. So next is open up brackets. 5 times 2x is going to give me my 10x. 5 times 3, I have my 15y. And 5 times 7 gave me 35. I'm done with equation 1. Now let me go to equation 2. 5 divide 10, I'll have my 2. Then I have my 5x plus 4y equal to 14. So I'm going to open up my brackets. 2 times 5 give me 10x. 2 times 4 is 8y. And 2 times 14 is 28. Remember, I said I want to eliminate, meaning I want to remove one of the variable. So I'm going to do 10 take away 10. I'm going to minus 10 take away 10 is 0, so I don't need to write it because we don't have 0x. 15 take away 8 is 7y, and 35 take away 28 is 7. After this, solving our algebra. If you don't know how to solve algebra, you can go to my video on algebraic simplification and also solving simple algebraic equation. Now we have divide both sides by 7 because we want to get the value of y. So we are dividing by the coefficient of 7, not this, but the coefficient. So we have 7y over 7 equal to 7 over 7. Therefore, my y is equal to 1. So I've gotten the value of y. Now I'm going to replace this into any of the equation. So let me replace it into equation 1. So we have replaced y equals to 1 in equation 1. So we have 2x plus 3y equal to 7. So we have 2x plus 3. So we have this. 2x plus 3 times 1 is 3 equal to 7. To solve this, remember what I said, simple equation. Just take this over to this side, becomes minus 3. We have other method. We have the balancing method of solving this. That's why I said you can use my other video to understand more. 2x is equals to 7 minus 3. 2x is equals to 4. The same thing we did in this case. Like I told you, divide by the coefficient. So we have divide both sides by the coefficient of x is 2. So we are dividing both sides by 2. So 2x over 2 is equals to 4 over 2. Therefore, my x is equals to 2. So, we have gotten the value of y and the value of x. To do your check work, all you need to do is to replace y into this and x into this. Now, I'm going to use equation 1 to actually do this. 2 times my x is 2. So, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 times my y is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So 4 plus 3 gave me 7. I will expect you to check for the second equation to be sure that this is correct. If you have any question, the comment section is there for you. And I believe this is well simplified. Also, if you need any topic in maths that you want me to actually simplify for you, hit the comment section. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, and also remember to share this video. Thank you.